Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I got this eyebrow look, please stay tuned, y'all. Oh my gosh, it took forever. I finally got it. My lighting is perfect.
So today I'm going to be bringing you guys this long waited for video on how I do my eyebrows. Everyone always asks me, what do you use, Kaylin? How do you do your eyebrows? How do you get them so straight? How are they so even? Oh my gosh, you really have no eyebrows. So if you see here, I have no eyebrows in real life. It was all a dream. So yeah, I'm super hyped
to be bringing you guys this video. Oh my gosh, you guys don't know how happy I am. It's hard, but I'm using some Vaseline because my lips are hella dry.
My usual eyebrows, I use this NYX. I don't know if you can see it here. NYX eyebrow gel and espresso. It gets really dry, so you end up like wasting the whole bottle. You use about this much, and then in a couple weeks it's dry. And when you try and mix it with oil or anything, your eyebrows kind of have that shine on it. You know, like guys' fake hairlines. That's what you end up looking like. You got a sprayed on eyebrow. But I want to try something new first on my right eyebrow because I always start with my right eyebrow. It's NYX, but it's the NYX micro brow pencil, crayon micro. So I want to try that first and see what we're looking like.
If I could get it out of the packaging. This is my first time using it. I always use the eyebrow gel. So it has one side to fix your brows. I don't know how this is gonna go.
This is not looking like it's gonna work. Everyone said this is like the Anastasia brow pencil. It is working! Oh my god, I might never use gel again.
No, my eyebrows are not done or plucked or anything, but look at that. Look at that, how that line is. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I look like I just ate fried chicken. I messed up a little bit, but who cares? This is okay. It's not bad. For this eyebrow, you're gonna do it a little bit different. You're gonna start in the middle of your eyebrow instead of in the front because you want it to look ombre instead of one dark eyebrow all the way through. It's a little bit different because you're using gel instead of the eyebrow pencil. So you want to start with your line on the bottom, draw a line on the top, and then fill everything in from there. So guys, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be the first to get updates and new videos from me. Also drop a like at the bottom and a comment below so that we can talk about this video, what you like, what you didn't like, what you want to see from me in future videos. Alright, let's get this chat popping. Just wanted to show you guys which product I used on which eyebrow so you can see which one you like better. For the concealing part, I'm going to go in with a darker Bare Minerals concealer than I've usually used in my angled brush. I'm going to take the darker concealer and put it at the bottom and the top. I use this one on first because it helps my lighter concealer move, because the other one is a little bit stiff and it dries fast, so this just helps everything blend a little bit better.